Okay. Well, the science fair we have, it's part of our school. We have a club where the students get to develop their own projects, and through the first semester they're doing their own background research into a field that interests them, and then running some sort of experiment to see whether or not their hypothesis, is supported. And what I learned, it's really nice because it gives the students an opportunity to kind of look in a science that they're interested in more, and they really get to go.
I wanted to find out which type of blade would be more efficient than the other. I had a control, a wide and a long. My hypothesis was that the wide would be more efficient, and it ended up being more efficient, and I thought it was because the pitch in the blades is steeper than the others, which was also something I changed about my project because the circumference of the PVC pipe I used originally wasn't as long as I'd want it to be. So if I could do it again, this would be my control, and because these are too flat.
Designed bridges. We're looking at wavelengths of light, and we had one that was doing a baseball, seeing how pitching affects your style of pitching, affecting accuracy and speed. So really kind of a broad range where they were looking at focusing a lot of environmental projects with water quality, and a lot of my students put in a lot of time at the beginning with we did a lot of in-class researching behind and seeing what's out there, what can they learn more about this topic, so that helped narrow down how they wanted to run their experiment. And from there, we spent time where they got to actually run these experiments, and then we go in and look at the data and see what does it mean, and getting the students to realize that there's not a right answer to their hypothesis, but more it's the understanding that goes behind it, and seeing how, where they can improve it next time, or what they could do differently, and how does it affect the things we did.